paint nabs, like at least one,
Paint what?
for the roller. Do you have the part to roll?
No. Okay, guys, so I am trying to get the tarp. Well, I'm not trying, I'm getting the tarp. And it is this aisle. Let's see. Okay, so there is a specific one that I am wanting to get. It is one that does not have seams, because that's important. Okay, so I found it. So this is it. This is it right here. We're gonna go with it. It is a 6x9, and we're gonna try it with this. I think I wanna do orange. I can't commit to a color, but I'm like, I probably wanna do like an orangey, like a little rust. This is going to be spread out with some days in between, because I'm not gonna be able to come back the next day or later in the day to do the second painting. So priming the canvas, but I need to go get the primer because I came to the studio to check to see if I had any primer for when I did the white wall in here. And I don't, I ran out. We have the medium canvas back drop cloth. It is a 6x9. I got these. Okay, I don't have my extended head or like my extended, I'm horrible with these names. Oh my gosh, I don't have that. So that's great. So I need to get that, but I think Adrian has that. So right now I am getting ready to lay out the canvas and kind of just, again, let it breathe. So let's do that. Honestly, feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Wow, so it has a seam in it. Fun. Okay, so there is a specific one that I am wanting to get. It is one that does not have seams, because that's important. Okay, so was not expecting to have a seam, because I thought I got the right kind. Screaming. Okay, so we have ran into a slightly big dilemma, because I thought I had got the correct canvas, seamless canvas drop cloth, but I got a seam drop cloth, and I don't know. I mean, I opened it. I'm horrible at trying to return things. That's just not my ministry. So I kind of forced myself to keep things, and that's a whole nother issue. So
Follow me this way, camera. Big ones, little ones.
hi, good. So you think this one this one should work, huh?
Yeah.
So I got this. I'm gonna use I don't know why they call it keels, but we're gonna use this. And now I'm gonna go look at colors and try to make this final decision. So let's go. Let's see. So I think I'm going to do what the lady said in this video. So basically she was like, start from like one of the high colors or lighter colors and then one of the lower ones. So I think I'm gonna probably do, this is really pretty. This Tabasco, and then maybe this Opal Fire. I think, yeah, get into it. So now let's go look for our base. It don't have to be with the brand, right? It don't have to be with the brand, right? It could be, okay, that's what I thought. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you, a little cheap number, okay, yeah. Okay. So maybe like some of this gilding. Oh. Yes, and now I need to find me a little quartz for my other color.
That's gonna be like what a putty knives at.
So for this, I would like to get this color. Oh. Nice. Oh. Give me that again. Follow me. Look. Okay. So I have the primer ready. The lady at Home Depot shook it up. And so I'm getting ready to do this. Let's just pray this turns out good. I took my mic off, but we're getting it down. It is getting laid. It's coming along. It's coming along. Okay, so this was a very successful first day. Adrian came over and she is helping me. She's getting her real painter on, you know what I'm saying? Like she be doing this. It looks really good. I was trying to say really great, but it looks really good. Okay guys, so this is the second day. I came by the studio this morning before I left because I'm like, I may do this other coat of paint, but it looks so good. Like it's dried, so it is making me kind of happy fingers to want to go ahead and do this other coat because I'm like, it's gonna look amazing. Look how pretty. Oh my God. Like, this is super pretty. And I know when it dries, it's gonna be like a little bit deeper. And I know like that's what I'm gonna really love about this. So I'm a little tired. My arm workout for the day. So I'm done. This is gonna have to suffice, but it looks good. And I know it's gonna dry and it's gonna get darker. Well, fingers crossed that it will be. So we're gonna see and let this dry. So what you all are seeing here is me mixing paint. Truthfully speaking, I was not feeling the second coat of paint and I was getting nervous and I was like, let's see, like, what if I mix the two and see what that does? Y'all, it worked and it came out great and it gave almost this slight highlight to set the two colors off. So I'm super pleased. Okay, so guys, at first I was feeling a little nervous because I had already committed and I was like, it looks a mess. But I'm actually a little bit pleased with it now that I kind of like mixed in the orange that I use for the base with the lighter shade, and it gives 3 different colors, and I love the way it looks now. I can't wait for this to dry. I'm excited about the results. A long time coming. And I gotta see what I'm gonna do for pictures. Who I'm gonna get to be a model for that, because that'd be dope.
Who's calling it? Who's calling it?
Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got me.
So guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching my journey to get this project done. It was really a fun process, but also was another patience moment that with time things will happen, and I'm so happy how everything turned out, even with the scene, okay? Because I messed that up. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I really can't wait to make more of these backdrops. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.